this morning with a song to tell the people where I come from. You may hear it in the accent, the twang in my tongue. Yes, I come from a little island. I grew up in the country where there was no running water from the tap. Sometimes our cupboards were empty. Love, it was all we got. We'd sing all night with a broken guitar. Having the time of our life, how did we get so far from home? So I'm gonna take you there with me. Yes, I'm gonna take you there so you can see. I'm a third world girl, living in a first world nation. Just a third world girl, living in a first world nation. Don't forget where you're from. Never forget where you're from. Still think my favorite drink is the water from a coconut. The best meal I ever taste, coconut trees on fire with love. Yes, the sweetest dessert just falls off a mango tree. And at night the most beautiful sight is the stars in the heavens above. Sing praise all night with a broken guitar. Having the time of our life, how did we get so far from home? So I'm gonna take you there with me. Yes, I'm gonna take you there so you can see. Just a third world